This is a star filter from Sandmarc. This filter adds stunning starburst effects to any point of light in your scene. From street lights to sunlight, instantly giving your photos and videos a cinematic, dreamy feel. It's perfect for night photography, cityscapes, concerts, or any situation with direct light sources. But why use a star filter? Unlike digital effects that can feel artificial or inconsistent, the star filter actually creates a real optical starburst using precision etched glass, giving you a natural and professional look straight from your iPhone. The effect is strongest with smaller, brighter light sources and works best when you slightly stop down your exposure. A tripod can help keep the light points sharp and symmetrical. You can also use it during the day with reflections, jewelry, or sunlight peeking through trees for subtle sparkle. This is how you use the star filter. The filter is made from durable aluminum and features multi-coated glass to reduce unwanted flares and protects against scratches and dust. Installation is simple with 3 mounting options. You can use the clip-on mount to attach the filter directly to your iPhone camera. You can screw the filter onto any compatible Sandmarc lens, and you can also mount it to a Sandmarc case using the step-up ring. Once mounted, line up your shot and adjust your angle to get the starburst effect just right. Pro tips: if you want full control over your exposure and focus, we really recommend using a third-party camera app. You can use the Pro Camera or Leica app for photos and Blackmagic for videos. These apps allow you to manually set your exposure to enhance the starburst intensity and get the most out of your filter. And yes, this filter works great for both video and photo. Just make sure your light sources are in frame and sharp for the clearest star effect. Now, what's in the box? A microfiber cloth to clean your filter, a clip-on mount, a filter pouch to transport, and of course the star filter itself. And that's the Sandmarc Star Filter, a simple tool to instantly elevate your shots and add magic to any light source that you're shooting.